Hello, my name is Akshat Loya and I am going to talk through the CAD model support to Pedestrian Markup tool in Oasys 20. The Oasys suite has several tools available to help setting up models for pedestrian impact tests. Primer offers the Pedestrian Markup tool that can be used to mark up vehicles. Given the outer parts of a vehicle, this tool can automatically create markup lines according to rules defined in different pedestrian safety protocols. The ability to read and process CAD models has been added to Primer. The vehicle model can now be read either as a meshed FE model or as a CAD model directly. Toggling the top button to CAD will allow the users to pick surfaces instead of parts everywhere in the tool. After reading in an appropriate vehicle model, toggle the top button to CAD. This will change the pick parts to pick surfaces. The model can be made up of many surfaces and it could be difficult to screen pick these. One easier way is to read in a step file in which the surfaces have already been grouped into assemblies. This way, you can use the assembly filter in the object menu to select these surfaces. You can also read in a settings file to set the required options. After selecting the surfaces and choosing the required protocol, the tool can now calculate the markup lines. The tool creates a meshed model using the surface tessellations. This model can be inspected or written out. After the markup line has been created, you can choose the hard part surfaces for hard points calculation. You can also sketch to see the selected hard surfaces or proceed to auto detect the hard point or create a counter plot. Thank you.